Hi everybody, welcome to Edgenuity. What I wanted to do today was just create a little video to help you guys get started working with the site. Today's video, what I want to show you all how to do is to assign yourself to your course as a student so that you can see the student view. Because in Edgenuity, what the students see and what we see are completely different. In fact, there are two separate logins. There's a student login that you can see right here, and then there's an educator login. So let's do this. Let's log in as educators. We're going to go ahead and put in our username and password. And what we see when we arrive is this. I'll get into sort of the main areas that you're going to spend some time, namely this one, students. You'll be doing manage students. You'll probably be doing manage courses. And the place you're going to spend the most time is right here in the dashboard, where you're going to see your students' information. Right now, nothing's happening, so we're not seeing anything in the dash. So let's go back to the students page, manage students. And on this page, you see a list of students who are enrolled in different classes. What you want to do to assign a student account to yourself is you're going to click select my account. And here you're going to do add course. And you're going to choose the course that you want to add. So I have those as current courses, but let's say that I want to add AP World History. Then I would just click there and add the selected courses to my list. And hit submit. Done. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to log out of our teacher account and we're going to go to the student login, which is here. And we're going to log in again with our credentials. Oops, that's not right. The same credentials, by the way, it's the same login as for your educator login. You'll get this warning saying that you have another session open. That's fine. Go ahead and hit continue. It's because we had the educator session and now we're in the student session. Now this is what the students see when they log in. First, they get the announcements, whatever announcements Edgenuity is pumping out, but also you can create announcements for them to see. And then this is their dashboard with whatever tiles they would have, what classes they're in. So I'm going to go ahead, I know that this one is active because I've been teaching this class, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what this one looks like. It may be different from yours, but so here's French 3. I'm going to click on next activity. It's telling me I'm behind pace. And then I get my calendar. Now, the tricky thing about Edgenuity is there's one calendar for the whole course. Doesn't matter when the students start. The calendar starts August 17th, ends December 18th, and that's for everyone. So when they're seeing their progress tiles at the beginning, that's based on the academic calendar. So you'll probably want to give them a heads up if they're enrolling in October, for example. They're going to show behind pace until they catch up with the calendar. So here's what my calendar looks like. You're going to go through one by one, right? So you start here with getting started. You click on that. That's your first activity. And that's basically just going to give you the orientation video. And when you're done, click done. And you get the next assignment. And so for students, it's actually really easy. You just keep hitting next, 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 and doing whatever assignments are required. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of there. This is actually just really useful for us because if they have some kind of a glitch or they have a question about an assignment, we can see exactly what assignment they're working on. Okay, so just a reminder how we get back in there and we get ourselves signed up with a student account. We're going to start at the educator login. Log in with your credentials. There's your landing page. Now remember I said we're going to be using these tabs the most, but there's also some quick access to, for example, the dashboard or to the Manage Student page. So let's go back to Manage Students, select my account, and then add the course. And so when you see your course in that list, just go ahead and select it, add it, submit, and then you're good to go. You can log out of the educator site, log into the student site, and you'll be able to see what they're working on. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.